For many years now, the coupon community has been seeing lots of really awesome digital coupon programs, reward systems, etc. hit these stores. But one store that we've been hoping we would get some digital coupons or something from is Walmart. And I'm going to be real, I was pretty doubtful that it would ever happen. I was wrong. Walmart finally came out with their own rebates, and I am so excited to be breaking all this down in this video today. So if you're interested, stay tuned. And welcome to Ohio Valley Couponer. Today, when y'all are seeing it, it is going to be Thursday, October the 5th of 2023, and I am so excited to be coming at you guys with a video all about Walmart Cash. This is a rebate system that Walmart has, and originally it was just for Walmart Plus members, and I didn't end up doing that because I don't have Walmart Plus. I wasn't going to get Walmart Plus just for rebates. However, recently they actually rolled out the Walmart Cash to be a free program for anyone to use as long as you have a Walmart free account, which I feel like most people do. So this worked out so amazing that now there are rebate offers directly through Walmart, which is just like so cool. So there are a couple of different ways to find rebate offers, but the first one is to go to the account section in your app and click on Walmart Cash. It'll bring you to this dashboard. Click on the view eligible items and it'll bring up an entire list of offers that are available. An easier way to do it is if you search for a product directly. So let's say you want Airwick. There's a little section that says Walmart Cash offers. You can click that and see all of the available offers. Also, what I really like about the Walmart Cash is, let's say you're just doing a grocery pickup order. This could really come in handy. As you're searching for products, it'll show you items that have Walmart Cash, which I just think is such a cool idea. I decided to go ahead and try this out for myself. So I went into the Walmart app and I found the Walmart Cash section. I looked through the available offers and I ended up finding a rebate for Scotty's Tissues, a product we use. Great little deal. So I went ahead and did this. There was a rebate on Walmart Cash for 25 cents back on Sue. I clicked into my account and then it was on my list of claimed offers. It actually shows you the aisle number of where it's at, which is really nice. So I went to my Walmart and picked up 2 of the boxes of Scotty's Tissues. I scanned them in the Walmart app to make sure they were a qualifying product, and they indeed were. So yippee. And then went up to the register and scanned my products. And then I also scanned the QR code in the Walmart app up against the screen. As you see right there is a little QR code and it says you can scan and pay with your Walmart Pay or your Walmart Cash. You scan that barcode. Or if you're like me and you ended up messing that up, you can just simply type in the numbers on your receipt and they'll give you the money that way. Super easy. The money then ends up in your account and you can use it at your next purchase at Walmart if you scan that little QR code, or when you do a Walmart pickup order, you can redeem them that way as well. But if you want to do it in store, scan that little QR code like you did to scan for the offers, and then you will end up being able to use your cash back. So I had 25 cents back, able to use that off of my next purchase. To recap, basically what you're going to do is, number 1, make sure you have a Walmart.com account. Super easy to get set up with that. Number 2, you're going to find the offers that you want to do. You can either find those by scrolling to the list, searching for products. You can find the offers in those varieties of ways. You will clip those to your account, and then at the register, you will go to your Walmart Cash section by clicking on Account and Walmart Cash, and then there's a little button that says Earn or Redeem Walmart Cash. You click on that and you scan that little QR code. And as long as you have the offer clipped and you scan the QR code, you will get your cash back that way. Super simple and easy. However, if you do forget to scan your QR code, no worries. You can literally just enter in the receipt number and it'll work that way as well. That's what I did, and I literally had my cash back within like 1 minute. So it was really simple. This is amazing. I love it. But there is a little bit of a hiccup in the whole thing. This is actually run by Ibotta. Ibotta and Walmart have teamed up to have rebates. And so you're going to notice that a lot of times the rebates on Walmart Cash are identical to the rebates on Ibotta. And things get a little tricky because, number 1, Ibotta and Walmart Cash cannot be combined. But also, if you decide to do the offer on Walmart Cash, you won't be able to do that offer on Ibotta per their whole terms of use. This has pros and cons, so I'm going to kind of go over both of them. So the main pro with using Walmart Cash instead of Ibotta is the cash out minimum. Ibotta has a cash out minimum of $20. So you got to have $20 in your Ibotta before you can cash out. The thing I love about Walmart Cash is that you don't have any minimum before you can use your money, which is so awesome. So like for me, I did that Scotty's deal and got 25 cents back. Well, I did not have to wait until I got to $20 or whatever to use that money. I actually could use my 25 cents in Walmart Cash on my next trip to Walmart, scan the QR code, it took the 25 cents off. Like, that's amazing. So if you're somebody who gets very frustrated by Ibotta's like restriction to have to be at $20, this is perfect for you. I think that's great. Another major pro I would say is actually how much easier this will be for grocery pickup. So if you are a customer who does the Walmart grocery pickup and you go on walmart.com and make your order, way easier, because on Ibotta, you typically have to go in and make sure your offers are clipped and search them up. And that's like a separate application from Walmart itself. And that could be a pain. But with the Walmart Cash, you guys can literally go through as you're placing your order, clip those Walmart Cash offers. And when you place your order, that will get you the Walmart Cash in your account, which you in turn can use on a future grocery pickup order. So if you are a Walmart grocery pickup kind of person, this is way better for you, because it takes like a lot of the hassle out of toggling between Walmart and Ibotta, and it's like all in one. So I think that's a really good perk to this as well. Those are the major pros for the Walmart Cash program, and I actually think those are both very significant pros for you to consider. I love the no cash out minimum. That is really nice. Here's where things get a little bit tricky since this is linked with Ibotta. So number one, you miss out with Walmart Cash on the ability to do resets, as well as have it track towards bonuses. So with Ibotta, a lot of times you'll do a deal and then it'll reset the next day and come back into your gallery. And as far as I know, with Walmart Cash, it's like after you do it once, it's not going to come back. I've not had a ton of experience with that yet, but from what I'm seeing, that's what it looks like will happen. So with Walmart Cash, you may not have the opportunity to do a deal again if it resets like you do on Ibotta. However, if it's a rebate where it's one and done, that might be an option to do on Walmart Cash instead. Another major thing you need to be aware of is if you clip offers on both Walmart Cash and Ibotta, you will automatically get the rebate to Walmart Cash instead of Ibotta. So I would only clip exactly what you're using on a given trip with Walmart Cash, just because you don't want to have that throw everything for a loop. Because let's say you have one more rebate to get your bonus, and instead of getting it to Ibotta as you wanted, it goes to Walmart Cash, and that just messes everything up. So only clip to Walmart Cash what you're planning on using that day would be my advice. So yes, another major thing here is you can't use coupons with Walmart Cash. Unfortunately, you cannot. The same rules apply to Walmart Cash as they do with Ibotta, so be aware of that. So the final con here is that with Ibotta, you have the ability to get a bunch of options. So gift cards, PayPal, even your bank account. But with Walmart Cash, you can cash out sooner, like at 25 cents, but you cannot get that money in your bank or PayPal. It is strictly to Walmart. For sure need to be aware of that if you do Walmart Cash, your money is just going to be used at Walmart. And so, yes, guys, that is all the details on this new Walmart Cash thing. I actually am excited for it, even though there are some restrictions and things like that. There will be more cases where Ibotta is more worthwhile, but I definitely feel like there will be some cases where the Walmart Cash is worthwhile, and especially if you're somebody who does pickup orders, like I said, that's going to be so much easier than having to toggle between both the apps. You can just click it right there and you're good to go and get your money and use it directly on your next purchase. I just love that. I think it's going to be a lot easier. And then with the Walmart Cash, being able to redeem it like that in the store, I just love it. So yeah, this isn't the most exciting thing we could have seen Walmart come up with, but I am actually thankful they gave us anything at all. I think it's very cool. So lots of pros and cons and things to consider. So yeah, guys, that's all I got for this video. I really hope you all did enjoy, and thank you so much for watching.